si Anti-Cybercrime Group, particularly yung Northern Anti-Cybercrime Team natin, ay nagsagawa ng further investigation online at dito natin natuklasan na mayroong isang Facebook page or within the social media platform na nagbebenta online ng itong mga peking pera. They are selling this for 150 pesos, yung 1,000 paper money, and talagang lantaran binibenta nila on the social media platform. At tayo ay nakahuli ng dalawang nagbebenta nitong fake money. Sa Las Piñas po natin nahuli. At yung dalawang katao na ito, one is from Cotabato City and one from Zamboanga City, is again a former employee of Pogo.
Na-monitor kasi natin na may online group talaga na nagbebenta. So, several groups pa to. Lantaran talaga kasi ang title nila is Fake Money / Black Dollar for Sale. So, sinumbong namin ito sa ating ACG dahil ito yung expertise nila. Very proficient sila sa pag-imbestiga nito. So, na pagtanto ng ating ACG na maraming conversations doon. Lantaran for sale, looking for this fake money, for entertainment purposes, or for whatever purposes ang... So, nagbebenta ng PM me. So, ganun. So, in-engage ng ating mga cyber patroller and luckily, with the help of ACG, na tuntun natin itong dalawang suspects na.